Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of the image, dimension of the image, and how to compress the image without losing the quality. Before getting to the video, do subscribe my channel and do not forget to ring the bell icon. Okay, so we're gonna reduce this file. This is one of the illustration I've done. We'll check the image size. It's a 5 MB file. It's hard to upload in a website because it will slow the website down. It will cause a problem. So we want the image to get reduced. We'll open with Photoshop. Yeah, I already opened. Okay, fine. We'll go to the settings, export, in files, export as a window will pop up. Here we could find some of the settings like file settings, image size, canvas size, and we'll change few settings like image size and the file. Say in file settings, will reduce the quality of the image. These are the two ways we can reduce the file size. I'll just change the width of the image. If you change the width of the image, automatically the height of the image gets adjusted according to the image. So don't need to worry about those. And we'll just reduce the quality into 60%. Here we could see in the left side, we could see the size of the image that is getting reduced. So if you give, we are given the 60% and the size of the image gets reduced to 130 KB. It's like very low size, which is perfect for the website. We'll do the export as option. We'll rename it as now. We can check the image size. Image is right over here, 138 KB. See, it's perfect. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Namaste.